Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackables divider block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackables blocks one by one. So, to get started, let's open up a brand new blank page and take a look at this block in depth. So if you're logged into your website and on any page, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in with your username and password, you'll automatically end up on your dashboard. Right? If you're here, hover down over onto your left-hand sidebar, down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. That's going to take us to the WordPress block editor and make us a brand new blank page. Alright, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside the Publish called Settings. Click on that. This is where we'll find all of the settings to configure and toggle for our block. Next, let's go ahead and give our page a title. Stackable divider test. This is to make things organized and make it easier for us down the line. Finally, let's go ahead and actually add the block. So we have this plus icon here, this blue button. Click on that. It's called the block inserter. If you can't find the block, just scroll down or search for it. But since Stackable is on top of list, we can just hover down to divider and drag and drop that. Okay. Let's work with this one for the meantime and explore the options. Let's close the block inserter to give ourselves some space to work with. Now, it's kind of faint and it's hard to see. So first things first, let's click on this. And under Style, let's click on Color. Let's make it something visible. Okay, this red, hopefully now you can see it. And let's take a look at the things that we can do. So we have content alignment. We have left, center, and right. We have block spacing, so we can add padding and margins to this if we wished to. And under styles, we have a few different options. Default, bar, dots, and asterisks. So let's start with dots. We can change the width that it occupies and the height and size. Okay. We can also change how it looks like on desktop, tablet, or mobile. And let's take a look at how this looks like with these. Right? I'll probably stick with this one. Actually, probably this one since it's rounded, and make it a bit thinner. We can add a background to this, and for instance, this one. Or we can use an image or a video. We can also use a gradient. We can also put a border radius on this, add a shadow to it. But for this video, let's not put any borders or shadows on this. Let's just keep it simple. Finally, we have our advanced settings, such as our general settings, HTML tags, overflow, clear, settings, hard position settings, custom attributes, which are HTML, responsiveness settings, which is to hide this on desktop, tablet, or mobile, and our HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Now let's go ahead and put this into a practical use. Let's go ahead and duplicate this a couple of times. We'll have this one be in the middle. We'll have this one on the left. And let's insert some text. Okay, so we have text here. Let's drag and drop that in between these. Okay, and let's just insert some lorem ipsum into there, and you can see this is how our dividers are. And then if we have our spacing here, we can change how much we want to pad our dividers out, right? To separate our paragraphs over here. Can even make it further from there. All right, and this one, you know what, probably let's go ahead and use the dots for this. Or, yeah, the dots, and let's make it wide, and then let's make them a bit smaller. Okay, Now that we're happy with that, let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our changes. And now that our changes have been saved, let's go ahead and view our live site by clicking on View Page. And now we can see our dividers on our stackable dividers, that is, on our live page. We have different configurations over here, different positions, and the spacing and padding to pad out our paragraphs and other content. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.